Need help downloading Lords Mobile? Hi everyone and welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. And in this video, I'll guide you through the quick steps on how to download Lords Mobile on your device. Let's dive in and get you playing in no time. To get started, open the Google Play Store. Tap on the search icon and at the top of the screen, type in Lords Mobile and hit search. Look for the official game in the search results. Tap on it and tap on the install button. The download will begin and in just a few moments, Lords Mobile will be ready to play on your device. And that's it, Lords Mobile is now installed and ready to go on your device. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Make Gaming Easy for more quick guides and gaming tips. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and happy gaming!